So just so you can see that this is not gender specific, right? I'm going to have Nicolette transmit the masculine. I'm going to have Blake transmit the feminine, okay? And you can see that, yeah, let's give them a hand, right? So let's start with Nicolette. So actually put on a little music here to. All right. So if she starts to ground, right? She starts to ground her body, feeling the earth through her feet, through the soles of her feet, maybe feeling heavy in her lower body. She begins to breathe deep into her belly. And then she begins to actually feel that space where consciousness is infinite inside of her. And just so she knows, like, raise your hand when you start to feel that through her. Yeah. So she's transmitting consciousness. Right? Would you trust her? Yeah. Yeah, she's trustable. Right? Good. Now pick one woman. Pick this woman right here. Okay. Okay. Feverishly taking notes. And just begin to transmit to her fierce, like feel deeply into her. Penetrative is what we didn't put here. Masculine energy is penetrative. So feel into her and feel the part of you that can love her fiercely. Hope this is okay with you. Right? Can you guys feel that? Can you feel the transmission? It doesn't matter if it's a man's body or a woman's body. Yeah. Good. 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 And now turn, give her a little bow. Thank you for receiving. Now turn and face Blake. And if you continue in that masculine, but Blake begins to let the ocean move through his hips, like he starts to feel nature, and he starts to feel pleasure in his body. And maybe he starts to just touch a part of his leg or something that makes him feel good. And he starts to feel a yearning to be ravished or a yearning to be led. Right? Can you guys feel this? That he's transmitting this through? Right? Okay. And then maybe if he feels the part of him that would want to surrender to how trustable she is, right? I just want to dispel the whole fucking gender thing right now, right? Yeah. He wants to surrender to the part of her that would ravish him. Yeah. And then maybe he just begins through his hands or through his fingers to let love move through his fingers. Yeah. Can you guys feel? Is he transmitting even more feminine now? Yeah. 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 Guys are like, what the fuck is going on? Right? This is going to be weird. Good. Good. And so just keep going for another few seconds and step towards him. And if he's just responsive, do you see how he smiled naturally? That's a response. Good. And she just said, "You're mine, motherfucker." Right? And he responded naturally. I don't think that was planned. All right. All right. Give each other a bow. Thank you. At his core, he's very masculine. Yeah. And he's just learned how to transmit love, conduct love through the body. At her core, she's all feminine, but she's learned how to transmit this. So this is part of your future tonight.